हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज राजेश क्वात्रा फ्रॉम क्वात्रा स्टेट्स। आज मैं आपको लेके आया हूँ गुड़गांव की सन सिटी एरिया में, विच इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लोकेलिटी. इट्स अ गेटेड कम्युनिटी. यू हैव मिक्स एंड मैच ऑफ डिफरेंट साइज ऑफ प्लॉट्स, villas, independent builder floors. You have markets inside there. You have a commercial place inside there which has a lot of offices. Good companies are working through that area. It has got very good school as well. So आपको एक 500 गज के घर का 500 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स के ऊपर बने हुए इंडिपेंडेंट बिल्डर फ्लोर का विद रूफ राइट्स आपको एक टूर देते हैं. आइए, अब हम लोग घर में एंट्री ले रहे हैं. इस घर में एंट्री लेने के बाद मुझे ये फीलिंग यानी कि हाउ स्पेशियस दिस हाउस इज. This is the dining and the living area that we have, and the builder has done a fantastic job in terms of decorating this wall with tiles, brass empanelment and wood with brass, which is giving a very niche and a beautiful look to the house. आप इसकी ओपननेस देखिए. आगे एक बहुत बड़ा डेक है जो बैल्कनी है, उसका भी मैं आपको एक व्यू दूंगा अभी. और साथ में इसके जो ये एरिया है, इस तरफ आप अपना डाइनिंग बना सकते हैं. ये लिविंग एरिया हो जाएगा. और जस्ट टू आई फॉरगॉट टू मेंशन, लुक एट द ब्यूटी ऑफ द डोर. इट इज गिविंग अ प्योर डिजाइनर लुक. दिस एरिया, if I buy this place, this area, I will surely convert it into a lounge kind of a thing, or maybe you can create a bar here, whatever you like. So आपको इसका फर्स्ट बेडरूम लेके चलता हूँ. फर्स्ट बेडरूम में जाने से पहले हमारे पास किचन आ रही है. अब मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ इसके फर्स्ट बेडरूम में. पहली चीज आपको ये बता दूं कि इस घर में, पूरे घर में इटालियन मार्बल लगा हुआ है. अभी आपको फॉल सीलिंग का भी मैं एक व्यू दूंगा. सारे बेडरूम्स में इन्होंने इटालियन मार्बल लगाया हुआ है, सिवाय एक बेडरूम के जिसमें इन्होंने वुडन टाइल्स की फ्लोरिंग की हुई है. ये देखिए, लुक एट दिस डोर, वेरी हैवी डोर, एंड लुक एट द साइज ऑफ द बेडरूम. इफ आई बाय दिस हाउस, आई एम गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू अ मास्टर बेडरूम, because I'll show you why I'm saying this. They've kept it very very simple. No back bed walls, just एक छोटा सा पैनल क्रिएट किया हुआ है. दोनों जैसे यहाँ पर आपका बेड प्लेस होगा, तो मूव अराउंड करने के लिए बहुत सारी जगह. In fact, you can create a separate kind of a seating here for two people to have tea or in the morning or in the evening. Why I would keep it as my master bedroom? Because of the bathroom. Look at the size of the bathroom. This is his and her basin. वेरी गुड मार्बल टॉप. और इन्होंने जो बेदिंग एरिया है उसको कवर किया हुआ है ग्लास के इम्बैलेंस से. इसकी सारी स्टोरेज जो है वो भी यहीं पर ही है. यू कैन सी द स्टोरेज फ्रॉम हियर. इसमें 2.5 अलमीराज की स्टोरेज है इसके अंदर. अब मैं सारे बेडरूम कवर करने से पहले हमारे पास बीच में किचन आएगी, विच इज एक्चुअली बिहाइंड द लिविंग एरिया ऑफ द हाउस. इसके फर्स्ट बेडरूम से निकलने के बाद मैं आपको इसकी किचन में लेके आऊँ. Very huge, spacious kitchen. They have created space to cut vegetables, put crockery here, and washing area just to wash the vegetables and everything. The normal washing area is here. Chimney hob, microwave, OTG. They have given a cavity here for a very big size fridge. Very nicely done up kitchen. Very simple, no flashy thing, but looking very very beautiful. आजकल वैसे भी सारे के सारे सॉफ्ट क्लोजर के साथ आते हैं. Equipments are very good. Quality is normally very good in all the builder floors today. आइए मैं आपको इसके सेकंड बेडरूम में लेके चलता हूँ. अब हम किचन के सामने से होते हुए लाउंज एरिया को कवर करते हुए उसके सेकंड बेडरूम में आए हैं. इन दिस हाउस, दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट बेडरूम. हाउएवर, इट इज स्टिल वेरी वेरी बिग इन साइज एज पर दी इफ आई डू द कंपैरिजन विद एनी अदर बिल्डर फ्लोर. इसका भी अटैच बाथरूम है. इसकी एक सेपरेट छोटी सी बालकनी है which gives you a lot of privacy in terms of, and plus the view of the house. It is actually giving me a proper look of a walk-in closet which falls inside the bathroom, and plus you have a normal bathroom there. Look at, they have changed the design of the colors. They have changed the faucet style, basin style. The pattern of the bathroom looks same, which is basically a glass and paneled bathing area. I just want to emphasize, or maybe recap the layout of the house. So when we enter from here, which is on my right hand side, you have a very huge living and dining space. On my left hand side, you have a lounge area which can be converted into anything that you want, which is a bar or maybe a lounge. I've shown you 2 bedrooms and the kitchen. From second bedroom, now we are moving to the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. The thing that I personally like about this house, it is very very simple. They have not done anything flashy. Nothing is flashy. But it actually, it is showing the quality of the work that they have done. Small things like, each and every door has a brass panel. All the storage that they've kept, not disturbing the bedroom area. They've kept everything in bathroom. The storage area is in bathroom. You will notice the change of basin and the faucet, and rest everything is all branded Jaguar stuff. Again, the bathing area they have covered within the glass. Now there is only one bedroom left. Now I'm going to show you the last and the fourth bedroom. This is the only bedroom which has the wooden flooring. Again, the simplicity is maintained. They have done a very small kind of a pattern work on the backside wall, but not too flashy. Again, the false ceiling, everything is very simple house, very spacious. And let me tell you, this is the most reasonably priced builder floor which has been built on 500 square yard plot. I will show you its terrace as well. Now this is the washroom of this particular bedroom, which is huge in size. The pattern remains the same, only the change of tiles on the walls and the flooring pattern has been changed. The rest, everything remains the same. Simple but very, very stylish. Now we have come on the terrace of this particular builder floor. Look at the greenery, look at the view. You have skyline showing here. You have the Aravali views here. I told you about the school which is right there in front of me. And this can be converted into a dance floor, maybe a bar, can have a cabana here. If you put on the lights in the evening, it will look very, very beautiful. Look at the size of the terrace here. Very nice view. Beautiful. You have a mix and match of nature and the residences or skyline that we have here. So it is made into a U shape. So you can have your party here, which is converted into a bar. You have again walk-through area. They have put an artificial grass on the flooring, which is giving a very, very nice look. So with this, I'm wrapping up this video. The tour is over. I just want to say a few things before I end this particular video. One is this particular house. We have got lots and lots of other options for your builder floors. We also deal in plots. We also deal in commercial real estate. Either we are ready to move in or under construction. We also deal in high-rise and any other thing that you want in real estate. There is only one number to dial, which is given on the screen. Thank you so much. Aapka apna RK.